Here we got our Garvee rooftop cargo. Okay. So it's actually pretty lightweight. So someone could put it up there themselves. It does have hinges on both sides. So it has hinges on this side and hinges on this side. It has a set of that it comes with. All right, so we can up for you. I put a light in there so you can see in there a little bit better. So you can put a bunch of cargo in here. These are the attachments. So the way that this works is you have these pieces here, and this will grab onto your crossbar, right? And then when you rotate this, right, it closes up on the cargo rack. Okay. So these fit inside, and they have these rubberized things inside. All right. It does come with 2 keys, so in case you lose one. And like I said, you can open it up either way. So right now I have it hinged on this side, but you could obviously close this up, lock this up like this. You come over here, put the key in over here, and open it. Like so. Okay. So that's really nice. And like I said, it's pretty lightweight. All right. The other thing I want to do is I want to bring you down a little bit closer, sort of give you a view of it. Back up here. But you can see the hinges. It's black in there, so it's kind of tough to show you, but it does come with some straps, owner's manual. There's a locking mechanism in there, and you can see the hinges. So, yeah, pretty nice little get up there. Okay, I can close this up. And then what I'll do is I will show you the bottom. This is the rail system here. So this is where the pieces poke out and grab onto the rails. You can see them here. Okay. So pretty nice, very lightweight. Kind of got like this shiny like top to it. It comes through in the camera very well. It looks like that in person. It has a really nice like high-end finish on the top here. You also have the badge on the front. I guess that's the logo of the company. I haven't seen that one before, but that's what I'm assuming. Comes in an owner's manual, but really there's not much to really that. It's that owner's manual. The one thing is once this is open, you can't get this key out. That was one thing I noticed in the beginning. I was like, oh, I thought I broke it. Nope, key doesn't come out until you close it, and then the key comes out with no problem. There's a lock down there. You can see it. But pretty straightforward. Seems to be extremely durable. I don't see any issue with it breaking. Really nice. Look at some measurements here, actually. 53 inches long and about 32 inches wide.